Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Murphy, and today I have a new story to share with you. The book that we're reading today is called Being Fit. This is a different type of story than we typically read because this is called an informational text. An informational text is something that teaches you about something. So everything in this is true, and the purpose of the book is to teach you something. Now, this book is called Being Fit, and fit is just another word for healthy. Now, the goal of today's lesson is that you are able to do two things. You need to be able to ask and answer questions about the text. So, before we get started, let's think about types of questions you might be asking or answering. And for that, we're going to look at our ask and answer questions anchor chart. In this first little blurb, it's just telling you that you can ask questions at any time during a story. You might have questions before you start reading. You might have questions while you're reading. And when you're done, you might still have questions, and that's okay. The types of questions that you might ask might start with who, what, when, where, why, or how. And the second blurb is just telling you you're going to be using the text to help you answer the questions. That means you're going to be looking at the words on the page. The other thing it doesn't mention is you're going to look at the pictures too. Sometimes your answers can be found in the pictures. So let's go back to the cover of our story, Being Fit. See if you can think of something to ask about the story before we start reading. If you have an idea of something to ask, you can ask somebody in the room that you're with right now. If nobody's in the room, that's okay. You can find a book buddy to ask as well. Go ahead and share your question. That was a really good question. Go ahead and hang on to that because at the end of the story, I want you to go back and think about whether or not your question got answered. I know I have a question. If this book is all about being fit, I want to know how I can stay fit. So as I'm reading, I'm going to see if the book answers my question. How can I be fit? Let's get started reading. Fit and active. Being fit means being healthy. And when you are fit, your body works well. You have energy you need to be active. Your body is at a healthy weight. I have a question for you. What happens to you when you're fit? You're right. If you're fit, you have energy to do the things you need to. That's so cool. 5 food groups. Kids who are fit eat healthy foods from the 5 food groups. They eat fruits and vegetables, dairy foods, grains, and proteins like meat or nuts. Fit kids exercise almost every day. My question was how to be fit. On this page, I see that it says to eat healthy foods and to exercise. The words help answer my question. And look at the picture. It has lots of examples of what those healthy foods might look like. Like, look down here, carrots. I love carrots. Exercise for fitness. It's easy to exercise. All you have to do is play. You can play soccer or go swimming. You can ride your bike, jump rope, or dance to your favorite music. Running and walking are great exercises too. Exercises like running or biking are called aerobic exercises. Can you try saying that word with me? Ready? Aerobic exercises. Good job. Aerobic exercises make your heart and lungs strong. They also help your body burn calories. This helps keep you a healthy weight. So, why is it important to exercise? Think about what the word said. You're right. Exercise can help keep your body at a healthy weight. You can do exercises to make your muscles stronger too. Crunches or sit-ups build up your stomach muscles. Push-ups strengthen your arm muscles. So does swinging across the monkey bars. I'm thinking back to that question that I had. My question was how I can stay fit. And it looks like they're giving lots of examples of exercises. And these even sound really fun. Let's keep reading. Stretching exercises are important too. They help make your body flexible so you'll not get hurt easily. Bending over to touch your toes is a good stretch. Why be fit? Learning how to be fit now can help you stay healthy later. Exercise can make it easier for you to pay attention at school. It can even give you more energy and sleep better. Exercising can even make you feel happier. This page actually started with a question. The question was, why be fit? Can you name one thing that being fit does to help you? You're right. You could have said a lot of things. It helps you pay attention. It gives you energy. It helps you sleep. And my favorite, it even makes you feel happier. That's amazing. Tips for success. Warm up your body slowly when you're exercising. Then you can work harder. Make sure you drink plenty of water while you exercise. Most kids need about an hour of exercise every day, but you don't have to do it all at once. You can run on the playground or ride your bike. You can even do push-ups when you're watching TV. Anytime you're moving, you'll be making yourself fit. And then on the back, it says how to make a fit snake. I probably should say snack. How to make a fit snack trail mix. So it shows you can have some raisins and peanuts and sunflower seeds and just a little bit of cereal and chocolate chips. Shake it up and you'll have plenty of energy to exercise. All right, friends. Well, let's go back and think about if our questions got answered. I know my question got answered. My question was how I can be fit. And we stopped and talked about that on several pages. What was your question at the beginning? Did your question get answered? Sometimes our questions get answered, like mine did. If yours didn't, that's okay. You might need to read another book to find out some more. All right, boys and girls, today we worked on two things. We practiced asking and answering questions using our text and the pictures. Thanks for learning with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.